Done. Okay. So subtract and assign. If I put minus equal to, what happens? 10 minus 5. It would be 5. Multiply and assign. Multiply and assign. 10 into 5. 50. Divided by 5. Understanding this? Okay. So this is like add and assign, subtract and assign, and multiply and assign. Have you written this? Unary operators. This one. Done. Okay, next unary operator. Unary post, unary pre. So guys, in unary post and unary pre, we have several types. Like you can say post, post increment. We have post increment INC, and post decrement. We have decrement. So here we have pre increment, pre decrement. Okay. So any variable here, any variable I, simply I am taken I. If you write I plus plus, this is called as post increment. Post increment. Getting this? This is post increment. Then post decrement. I minus minus. This is post decrement. Anything which you write after I, that is called as post. That is called as post. Now pre increment, plus plus I, minus minus I. Pre decrement and pre increment. Make a note of it. Or okay. So now listen carefully. If I consider integer I is equals to 1, what is I value? I value is 1, correct. So now, okay, I am writing one increment int k or int sum. One variable I will take is equals to, now listen carefully, I'll write I plus plus. What increment it is? What increment? Post increment, right? Next, plus 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 I. What increment it is? Pre increment. Plus I, wait, plus plus I plus I plus plus. Now here I wrote how many unary increments and this thing, 1 2 3 4 4, correct? Which have, so I want to add this one, this one, this one, this one, and store it in sum. Okay. Now assume, okay, so how many variables are there here? I variable only. How many times it is incremented with post and pre? 1 2 3 4. Yes or no? Assume when this kind of question they will ask in interview. Okay. So usually what will be the sum value? Any idea? No idea. Okay. So what is I value? 1. Correct? So now when you have post increment, assume this thing as first house, second house, third house, and this is fourth house. Okay. And every house has a compound. Assume like that. That plus, red color plus as a compound. Okay. Now when you have post increment in that house, this is the first house, second house, third house, fourth house. Okay. When you have post increment, it won't increment its value in that house. It won't increment. So what is the I value here? It won't increment there. It won't increment in the house. It will increment in the next house. Now assume I as a thief. I as a thief. I as a thief. Now this I will jump the compound like this. Okay. So let us see how it will jump. What will be the value? Okay. In the first house, I value is 1 only. Now I is jumping now. Here its value, I value becomes 2 because of post increment. It only increment in its house. And we have pre also right here. Because of pre increment, pre means when someone is coming to the house, its value becomes 3. Understanding this? So what is the I value in the first house? Can I say it is 1? It is 1. Now what is the I value in the second house? I value became 2 and also it became 3. Because of post increment from the first house and because of pre increment in the second house, I value became 3. So I value is 3 in this house. Now it is jumping. Do we have post? Where? Where we don't have post. So I value is 3 only. When you have I plus plus, then only in the next house it will increment. Understand? See, this is okay. Wait, I'll show you how to increase the size of this rubber here. Plus, I'm trying it. Okay. I think just plus, I think. No. Alt plus. Control Alt plus. Whatever. So now, see here. Again, okay, this is about this also. Okay, listen now. We don't have anything later. So I value is 1 in the same house now. Correct. Now we have what? Pre-increment, sorry, post-increment. Yes or no? We have this is post-increment, right? So it will increment its value, I value to 2 in the next house. Because of pre-increment, I value became how much? Here it will become 3. Now we don't have any post here. Yes or no? So when it is jumping, what is the I value? 3 only. Now we have pre-increment here. So what happens? It will become 4. It is 4. Or do we have post? Next house, it is 4 only. Do we have pre? Here also 4 only. The output is 4 only. 4 plus 4 plus 3 plus 1. Or 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4. So that is the output. 12. Output is 12. Some output is 12. Let us see that. Int I is equals to 1. Okay. Int sum is equals to I plus plus. In brackets I will write. Okay. Plus. Then what? Plus plus I plus then again I plus 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 I then plus I plus plus. So output should be, so what you need to print? Sum now. System dot out dot println sum. Understanding this? You need to make a note of it. Done, guys. Hmm? Write it. Same thing only. Shall I give one more? Will you try this? Huh? Psi value is 2. So what will be the output for this? Think and let me know. Online people. Output 24. So here what is I value? 2. Here it is 3. Post increment is there now. Here it is 4. Here it is 6. 15. How? How, guys? Let me show you. Sizing lesson. So you tell me. I'll write. You need values. Tell me the values. I plus 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 I plus plus I plus here. No, I value is 2. Keep that in mind. In this house, it is 2 only because of post increment. So next house, it is. I wrote like that. This is wrong, no? It is I plus plus plus. What was that here? I plus 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 I plus 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 I. Correct? Huh? Wait, no. So now I value is 2 here. This house. In the next house, when it is going, I value becomes 3. There is no pre-increment here. Yes or no? I value is 3 only in pre also. It is 3. Now it will become because of post increment. in the second house. In third house it will become 4. There is no pre, it is 4 here, correct? So in the next house it will become 5, and because of pre it becomes 6. 15. Okay, hope you understood post increment how to decrement is also same, it will be minus minus 1. Okay, next right heading conditional statements. Conditional statements, this topic we will do tomorrow. Understanding this guys, operators. Okay, one more last point guys, listen, this is important. Okay, how many variables are there? What will be the output? I plus j divided by k. It is 6. No? 10. 8 plus 4 divided by how much?
4 divided by 2 is 2, sir. 8 plus 2 is 10.
4 divided by 2 is 2. 8 plus 2, 10.
Yeah.
Okay, so this should be evaluated using BODMAS rule. Okay, so brackets has highest priority in any programming language. Then offset power of 2 power of 2, that one. Then division comes highest priority. Then multiplication, last addition, then subtraction. So according to this, division has highest priority than addition, correct? Now here division should happen in this program, division should happen before addition, correct? So division happens, what is the output? 4 divided by 2, 2. 8 plus 2, addition 10. Okay, so according to BODMAS rule, brackets has highest priority. According to BODMAS rule, brackets has highest priority. Then guys, we'll stop here. We'll continue. What? Conditional statement tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.